Okay, Jerry, I thought that I would try to do this real quick so it makes more sense. Save time for me writing it and maybe you can get it. So I'm here on the whatever page this is where the course guides are. I'm going to go down to Module 2. Click here, Module 2. And this whole section is the slowest thing they got. But to get your topic reserved, go to Assignments. And it's going out there. And then go to this DB Forum 1 thread safe assigned submission. That's not it. It's this one right here, discussion board forum, thread and replies. So when you're just reserving your topic, you're going to want to create a thread. And I'll just put in Six Sigma. And that's all you have to do. Hit submit. If I submit, it doesn't go anywhere because I don't have anything in the gradebook. But so that'll be out there. The only thing that will show up in the discussion board will be your topic, Six Sigma, or whatever you choose. Then when you do your paper, you post it in here, and I don't have anything open to. I've got here. This is the announcement that I just did a few minutes ago. So this is what you do on Tuesday. Then you go over here and you copy paste from your Word document and you just put it in there. And then I want you to attach your APA formatted Word document here. So this is what you do on, what does it say? It says do that on Friday. This is your thread. So this is what you do Tuesday, post your thread on Friday, and then by Monday, you're going to reply to your classmates and hit submit. And like I said, I can't do that. So hopefully that works. I'm going to check it out, and if it's good, I'm going to send it to you. God bless.